What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage back at it with another video, man. Today I want to bring y'all to the gym. I'm gonna bring y'all to the gym for the first time. Everybody at SneakerCon Dallas was like, DeVintage is swole, and I'm not swole, man. If you see this man, DaRetroWizKid, this dude is super swole. You know me, I'm trying to do my thing, but I'm going to bring you guys with me to the gym for the first time in DeVintage World channel history, man. So hopefully everybody tune in. Hopefully everybody liked this video. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it because it's my first time going to the gym. Maybe I just talk to y'all, talk your head off throughout the process of me working out. But like I said, I wanted to bring y'all today, and maybe we bring this back in to the channel every week, weekly gym vlog or something like that. So if y'all enjoy this right now, y'all want to see more of this, make sure I hit that like button, you know, to go for every video's 100 likes. So let's get past that 100 likes. Y'all show me that y'all rock with these types of videos, man. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, ring notification bell for your boy, and follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Everything is the same. Instagram, YouTube channel, Snapchat, everything DeVintage World. So yeah, just pulled up on DaRetroWizKid. He right here in the car next to me, and we're gonna get this some lifting going on. Let's get it. This man smoking me, bro. Hey, this is my workout. This is my trainer for today.
Man, I gotta figure out how to get a better angle over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just turning my camera so you guys.
Okay. I just need this one. Is that okay? Can I pick it? You still using it?
Yeah,
I thought you wanted to.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, my bad.
Boy, if you don't get
Yo, what's going on? So we're done with the gym. I'm try to do like a talk over or something about what we did in the gym. So pretty much DaRetroWizKid was my trainer today, as you can see, man, and I was smoked. I don't know if y'all can tell in the video, but I was pretty smoked. But we got to go outside, shoot some hoops, some boy DaRetroWizKid.
Lit though, right?
Yeah, it was fun, man.
That shit was lit.
It was hella lit.
Hey, good shit, bro.
Hell yeah.
You already know, man. Now we're gonna hit these hoops real quick, get a couple buckets, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, he beat me one-on-one, but I ain't hooped in like 3 weeks, man. I've been traveling. I've been doing this big move, so he got me on that one. But the next one, I'm gonna win that 1v1. But yeah, man, that was a good little workout. I got 2 unboxings that I gotta show you guys. Nothing major, but it's some Hypebeast stuff. So this video gonna be called like Hypebeast pickups of the year. I got 2 little Hypebeast items that I'm going to show you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this little workout portion, and now everybody go shoot some hoops. Then we're gonna do some unboxing, man. So catch y'all at the court, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all boys, we at the basketball court. This is where me and DaRetroWizKid went live on Instagram. If y'all didn't check that out, I think it's still on my Instagram right now. But me and DaRetroWizKid did a 1v1 Like I said, he beat me, but like I said, I ain't been hooping in like 3 weeks. I've been traveling and stuff from overseas, so no excuses. I'm gonna get back right on the court, and 1v1's coming soon with a lot of these trash ass YouTubers, man, or shoe-tubers, I would say, because there's some fire ass YouTubers that can hoop. But yeah, if I get some shots up, sweat some more, burn these calories, and doing these unboxings. So let's get it. All right, to end off this little workout vlog with me and the DaRetroWizKid, I came back to his crib and I wanted to do 2 unboxings that I wanted to show you guys. It's some Hypebeast stuff. So this might be like the most Hypebeast pickup of the year for me, because I would not see myself buying this like on a regular basis, because I don't know, it's just too Hypebeasty for me. But I got these 2 items from StockX. Shout out to StockX. Y'all know when I was in Germany, if I ordered from StockX, I sent it to my boy the DaRetroWizKid house, and I was already on the way to San Antonio, so like, go ahead and keep them, bro, and I'll do the unboxing when I get to your crib. And I finally had these 2 packages right here. So here you have it, 2 boxes. You can see this big one right here is super, super big. I got the thumbnail. All right, got the thumbnail real quick. And yeah, as you can see, this one is super big. You can probably guess what this is if I said it's some Hypebeasty stuff. And this right here is kind of small. It looks like a pair of sneakers, but it's not. It's very light. So let's get right into this unboxing. All right, so for the first package, I'm gonna get into it. And if y'all have not liked the video yet, man, go ahead and like the video for your boy. Y'all probably fast forwarded. If y'all not into workout stuff, you probably already fast forwarded past the me in the gym and stuff. But yeah, here we go. Let's get into it. Got the little bubble wrap. Throw this out the way. And yeah, let's get into it. They gave us to it in the StockX bag. As you can see, it's like I said, no shoes. This is a Cause Sesame Street Elmo bear, man. Check it out right here. This right here is something, like I said, I will not buy regularly. It's just strictly for the sneaker room, for display, for the video, so people can see, you know what I'm saying? I just want to get more in the background. You know, when I was in Germany, it's kind of a bare background just because I was leaving Germany. I want to put work into that room. I did get the like shelves, but I want to hang this up somewhere or put it on a shelf. But it's different, you know what I'm saying? Seeing this in somebody's, you know what I'm saying, sneaker room or something like that, you probably think, oh, he a Hypebeast, so I'm gonna subscribe. I'm not a Hypebeast, but here you have it. This is some Hypebeast pickups. So here go the first one right here. You got the little Elmo, I think it's called like the bear brick or whatever. But like I said, it's gonna be setting up on one of the shelves or something in the sneaker room, and just for display. I'm not gonna be playing with bears and nothing like that. So let's get into the next package. All right, here you have it. The big package right here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Hopefully I don't cut it. I think I just did. Oh yeah, I did just cut it. Let me pull this out real quick. All right, that was easy to open. All right, and here you have it. You have the Marvin Gaye skateboard deck, man. So this right here, like I said, super Hypebeasty what I just did. I just want to add something different to the sneaker room, man. So it was always empty, it was always bare. But you see like this, you got a lot of shoes around. Me, I didn't have nothing around on one of my setups. But on the setup that I did have, that was kind of bare. I want to put like the skateboard up there. I want to put some sneakers. Y'all seen I put the like shelves, and also put the little Elmo bear brick right there. So that'd be very, very dope. I feel like it's gonna come out well when I get the crib. And yeah, I just had to get this one right here. Check it out right there. You got the little StockX sticker right here, and you got World Famous, and you got Supreme right there. So I'm not gonna show this part. I'm just gonna show the Marvin Gaye side. You know what I'm saying? I think that's gonna be dope with the little bear brick somewhere else. So yeah, these are my 2 Hypebeasty pickups, my most Hypebeast pickups of the year. I want some more Hypebeast stuff than I was when I got both pairs of the Supreme 14. So y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all have either one of these items. Maybe you was on some Hypebeast stuff and you went to StockX and grab this as well. Like I said, I got both these from StockX. All right, thank everybody for tuning into this video, man. Like I said, I want to bring y'all with me to the workout video I did with DaRetroWizKid, and I want to come back and end it off with 2 brand new unboxings that I have not shown anybody. I was waiting to see them in person, so I've been sitting downstairs for like maybe 2-3 weeks now. So like, let me go ahead and unbox it, put it on the channel, give y'all some content, and yeah, here you have it. Your boy is officially a Hypebeast. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Follow me over on Instagram at DaVintage. Link will always be in the description box below. And make sure I go get my boy DaRetroWizKid to follow, man. And go tell him thank you for letting me film in the sneaker dungeon, man. So with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man.